This scientific executive report examines Capstan Medical, a trailblazing company set to revolutionize cardiovascular intervention. We'll explore Capstan's innovative approach, its product value proposition, market niche, competitive landscape, and predicted market strategy, and forecast the company's economic value through 2028. Capstan Medical is pioneering a transformative approach to cardiovascular intervention by integrating surgical robotics, advanced catheter-based delivery systems, and next-generation implantable heart valves. This novel convergence addresses long-standing limitations in structural heart procedures by delivering precise, minimally invasive therapies, particularly in the area of transcatheter heart valve replacement. As the clinical and technological landscapes shift rapidly toward less invasive and more reproducible interventions, Capstan is strategically positioned to benefit from both technology-driven innovation and clinical demand for safer, more scalable solutions. The company's platform reflects a bold vision for the future of heart valve interventions, especially in underserved anatomical spaces like the mitral and tricuspid valves. The company's platform offers a comprehensive solution that bridges key gaps in current structural heart interventions. First, Capstan delivers precision control. Unlike traditional catheter-based systems, Capstan integrates robotic precision to enhance procedural control, particularly in anatomically challenging cases. Second, minimally invasive access. The fusion of robotics and catheter technology minimizes surgical trauma, lowers complication rates, and enables treatment of high-risk and previously ineligible patients. Third, smart implantable valves. The company's proprietary valves are engineered for optimized hemodynamic performance, enhanced durability, and reduced post-procedure complications. Together, these features offer a step change in procedural efficiency, safety, and clinical outcomes, expanding the eligible patient pool and lowering the procedural learning curve for clinicians. The structural heart disease market, particularly the transcatheter aortic valve replacement or TAVR segment, is experiencing rapid growth, driven by an aging population, increasing diagnosis rates, and a shift toward less invasive procedures. While early innovation has largely focused on aortic valve disease, significant opportunity lies in mitral and tricuspid interventions markets currently underserved due to anatomical complexity and device limitations. Capstan is uniquely positioned to serve these high-growth niches by offering a fully integrated robotic catheter implant solution that addresses procedural variability, operator fatigue, and limited device precision. Currently, two main forces are reshaping the structural heart landscape: technology push and market pull. Technology push refers to advances in soft tissue robotics, catheter miniaturization, haptic feedback systems, and AI-guided navigation that have converged to make robotic transcatheter interventions viable. Market pull stems from physicians who increasingly demand reproducible, low-risk procedures that reduce OR time and enable broader patient access. Patients, in turn, seek shorter recovery times and less invasive alternatives to open heart surgery. Additionally, user experience or UX is a critical consideration. Surgical teams require intuitive, ergonomic systems that enhance visualization and reduce technical complexity. Capstan's platform is designed with this in mind, offering streamlined interfaces and automated procedural support. This convergence of factors creates a favorable environment for Capstan to become a category-defining player. Three companies often come to mind when considering Capstan's competitive environment: Intuitive Surgical, 𝗔𝗣𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗡, and Abbott. Intuitive, although not currently dominant in cardiovascular interventions, is expected to leverage its robotic surgery leadership through acquisitions or internal expansion into soft tissue cardiac applications. However, its limited catheter legacy may hinder full integration. 𝗔𝗣𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗡, a market leader in TAVR, boasts strong regulatory experience and a broad installed base, but has yet to demonstrate significant advancement in robotic-enabled catheter systems. Abbott, with its Tendyne and MitraClip offerings, holds a solid position in mitral and tricuspid interventions. However, its offerings are not fully integrated with robotic platforms, leaving room for Capstan to differentiate. Importantly, while these players are advancing individual components of cardiac intervention, Capstan's key strength lies in delivering a cohesive platform that integrates robotics, navigation, and implant technology rather than offering fragmented innovations. Looking ahead, Capstan is likely to implement a beachhead and expansion strategy. Initially, the company will focus on high-volume structural heart centers and academic hospitals for robotic-assisted mitral or tricuspid procedures. These settings allow rapid feedback, procedural refinement, and key opinion leader or KOL engagement. Next, strategic partnerships with AI imaging or navigation technology providers will be established to enhance real-time guidance and procedural accuracy. Through licensing or acquisition, Capstan can pursue growth by integrating complementary technologies such as steerable sheaths or dynamic imaging overlays. Finally, geographic expansion into broader hospital networks in North America and Europe should follow, with an emphasis on the value proposition of robotic precision and lower procedural risk. This go-to-market plan emphasizes strategic entry points, controlled validation, and scalability. Following successful first-in-human trials and initial safety data, Capstan's asset value is expected to reach approximately $120 to $150 million by 2025. This growth is driven by early clinical validation and increasing investor interest in the company's transformative approach. By 2026, with positive trial data and potential breakthrough device designation or a major strategic partnership, valuation could rise to $250 to $300 million. In 2027, as pivotal trials are initiated and signs of strong procedural outcomes emerge, Capstan's asset value could reach $400 to $500 million, attracting acquisition interest from major medtech firms. Assuming FDA approval for its robotic mitral system and initial commercial rollout, Capstan's valuation could reach $600 to $750 million by 2028. This growth is based on projected revenues, competitive positioning, and potential technology licensing. These estimates assume a consistent trajectory of clinical success, regulatory progress, and strategic execution. In conclusion, Capstan Medical is redefining the structural heart treatment paradigm by converging robotics, catheter technology, and smart implants into a single, high-precision platform. Its holistic approach addresses current market inefficiencies and clinical limitations, positioning the company as a potential leader in next-generation heart valve interventions. With strong growth in unmet needs, an accelerating shift toward minimally invasive cardiology, and rising demand for robotic precision, Capstan is not only meeting the moment, it is shaping the future of cardiovascular intervention.